Are you wondering if YouTube TV offers all NFL games? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain which NFL games you can watch on YouTube TV. If you're a football fan, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not offer all NFL games, as many are spread across multiple networks and platforms. However, YouTube TV does provide access to NFL games broadcast on networks included in its lineup, such as NBC for Sunday Night Football, Fox for regular season games, and ESPN or ABC for Monday Night Football or select games. Additionally, playoff games and the Super Bowl are often available on these networks. That said, games exclusive to NFL Network, Amazon Prime Video, or CBS may not always be accessible unless you have those services separately. For full access to every game, you might need to supplement YouTube TV with subscriptions like NFL Plus or Paramount Plus. If this video helped you understand which NFL games are available on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.